Hi all. I hope you all are doing good. Actually, before an year, so I had attended interview in TCS. Okay, Tata Consulting Services. Actually, I was in a mindset that anyway, Tata TCS is a service-based company, so I can. So I was in a mindset that I will be easily clearing those Java codes as well as the interview. But it given a tougher time for me actually for solving those Java codes in the interview. So they had asked me two Java codes, the interviewer. Okay, so two Java codes they asked me to solve. So it is not that much easy at that point of time. So I debugged a lot and so all those things happens. Okay, yeah. So the first code which I got in TCS is simple. No, it's not that level simple. It's a bit difficult. So they had given a string like this, okay, and they want the output as see, it is very the logic what they are expecting. No, it is we need to reverse the characters. See, A position is the first position; it came to last, and B is in middle, so it is remaining in middle, and C is in the last, and C need to come first. See, only the characters need to be reversed, but the special characters should be in the same position. Okay, this is what the question they asked. Mhm. So yeah, first let us declare the string. Let us take this particular string as a word. Anyway, it's similar like a word, right? Nothing big. Okay. Okay. Next, let's find the length of this word. Okay, word dot length. And first, what we can do is let us split this particular word into. See, first we need to filter only the characters present in this particular word. For that purpose only I am declaring the array list. See, why I am giving character is in this array list I am going to save only the letters or alphabets, not words. Okay, so for this array list let us me gives letters. Okay, let's go to new array list. Okay, so first is like filter the chars or the letters in the word. Okay, so for this only I am creating one for loop. Okay, so I taken a for loop. So first we need to take one by one letter. Okay, so that is our step one. See, what I'm doing is, so this is our word. Okay, from this word we need to take the letters one by one. First I need to iterate and take A, then exclamatory mark, then B. Okay, I need to take the letters one by one inside my for loop. So only that what the statement is going to do for me. Mhm. So then there should be a boolean condition. Let's take it as test one. Character is letter. See, as I said, first we are trying to filter only the characters or letters which is present in this particular word. Okay, so I am putting this inside our if condition. See, why we are doing like this is during the time of debug, when you hover over on this, it will tell whether true or false during the debug time, not now. Okay, so if the particular letter is a character, then we can add it in our array list. Okay, then what we will do is, for our understanding purpose and easiness of our debugging, let us print this one. Okay, next what we need to do is just reverse the chars or letters alone. Okay, so collections dot, okay, we need to reverse this. So for this what we can do, okay, there is no default function to reverse it. See, we can take a longer way. Let's try this. I think we have a function called reverse, right? So this one will reverse our array list. Okay, so reversed letters is equal to, see why I'm doing a lot of this system.out.println is like, so it will reduce, it will give you a very good visibility of the code, so that even some mistake happens, we will understand in which step it happens and we will get some understanding as well. So now we filtered the letters alone. Okay, now again initialize. Okay, next what we are going to do is, reversed chars plus special chars appending or adding. This is what we are going to do. How we are going to do, let's see. Again I am initializing here for loop. Don't worry, I will debug this code and show you, okay, so that you will get still more clarity on it. I initialize here. So again char letter is equal to word dot char I. Okay, so again one boolean statement is equal to character dot is letter. Okay, if character dot is letter is, see, whenever we are going to deal with the strings, then string builder will play an important role here. Okay, so without string builder, most of the string related problems cannot be solved. Okay, I initialized a string builder. So what I'm doing is I'm using a for loop, and from the word is nothing but this one. I'm taking one by one letters which is present in this particular word, and I'm testing whether the letter which is a alphabet or not, or whether it is a character or not. So if this particular letter is a alphabetic letter like A or B or C or D, then this test one will be coming as true. So same statement is given here, so it will be passing inside it. So what I'm going to do is, so I initially the string builder like dot append letter. Okay, I don't think we can do like this. So first let me create index is equal to 0. You will understand why I am using this index and all. Well, I am writing one by one, you will get that. Not issue. So char space letter. Oh, see why I am giving letter 1 is that also I will show it practically. See this letter, the same variable name is initialized here as well. So if you hover over on this, it will ask to rename this. Okay, simple. So this letters is a array list. Okay, where it is declared, here it is declared. Letters is a array list. Since it is array list, so only when I give you a dot and control plus space, I am getting this option get. Okay, and index I am passing. So now in this statement what happened is already the array list letter has been reversed. Where it is reversed, here it is reversed. Okay, so the reversed, so the last letter will be coming in the first. That is what happening here. So the last letter will comes first. Okay, then the last letter will be appending in the string builder. And now what I am doing is I will increment, I am incrementing this index. Why I am incrementing this index is then only the next char, okay, or the next letter will be appended in the string builder. Okay, for that, okay, for that reason only I am taking this. Okay, done. So then if, let us consider if this particular letter is not a character or alphabet or letter, let's consider it's a special character, then what happened is it should append in the string builder. Okay, then let's come out of this for loop. So before that the string builder need to be converted into a string, right? String space output is equal to string builder dot to string. So finally output is equal to, okay, so let us debug and see this code to get better clarity. Debugging started. Debugging is a starting point of understanding the Java code. Okay, when in your career you start to debug, then only you will get a very deep understanding of the Java code. So even a problem statement is changed also, by debugging this code you will get a fair understanding and you can change the code accordingly. Okay, see now in this variable word this value came, then the length of the word is something around 6. Yeah, it's 6. Currently this array list will be empty because just now it is initialized. Okay, now the I value will be equal to 0. Okay, so for the 0th value, a value will be coming in the variable letter. Okay, so in the variable, okay, in the variable letter value a has been came. This a come from where? From here. Okay, so now you tell me this boolean statement will be a true or false. It will be true. Why? Because we are trying to check whether this particular letter is a alphabet or a character. Yes, it is a character because it is nothing but a. A is a alphabet or a is a character. So this test will be coming as true as per my understanding. Yeah, true. Okay, now since it is true, the code has been passed inside it. The compiler pointing is passed inside this if logic, and the letter will be appended. So the letter comes as A, right? I think you all remember. It will be appended in the array list. Since it is a array list, so it is coming with the square braces. Here also it is mentioned letter equal to a array list. Where we initialized, here we initialized. This is what letters plural form. Okay, here it's a singular. Okay, so it's added. So next, now the I value will be 1. Now this letter will be exclamatory mark. See, I think you should be able to see it. It is a exclamatory mark. From where this exclamatory mark come? It come from here, because I will tell you the index positions 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now the I value will be 1. I value is 1, and the 1th index value is exclamatory mark. So here the exclamatory mark came, and now you need to tell so whether it will be true or false. It will be false. Okay, why? Because this exclamatory mark is not a, okay, it is not showing the value, but anyway the code has been not came inside this loop, inside the if logic. Okay, so next the letter B is coming, so B come from here. Okay, now this boolean statement will be passing. Okay, there is some issue, but it will be getting appended here. Okay, what happened? So you know it got appended here. Okay, so next the value will be I is equal to 3. For the third index position it is at the rate, so here it will be at the rate will be coming. Okay, so here letter is equal to at the rate km. Now this boolean statement will be false, because this at the rate symbol, it is not a alphabet, it is not a character, or it's not a letter. Okay, so here it should be coming as false. It came as false. Okay, so since it is false, this statement will not be executed, it will be jumping. Okay, it jumped back. Now the I value is equal to what? 4. For fourth position the value will be C, so in the letter it will be C. See, you can see it here as well, letter is equal to C. Since it is a alphabet, the test result will be true. Okay, it will be true. Okay, so since it is true, this code will be executed. Since it is executed, the letter B has been added. Okay, no, it has been not added. I think the letter C need to be added. The compiler is pointing to here only. I need to do a step over, then only it will add. Yeah, it is added. Now it will come out of the loop. Okay, then this letter will be getting printed ABC, and now it will be getting reversed. Since it is reversed, it is CBA, it got reversed, and the same thing we have given a system.out.println, it is printed, and we initialized a new string builder. Initially it is empty. How to understand this is a string builder? Here also you can see inside the debug mode. Currently the index value will be equal to 0. First the I value will be 0. For 0th position what value will come? A will come. So here if you hover over on this, so letter is equal to A. Okay, now this will be true, you know that. So this code block will be coming inside. So here also it will be C. Why here it is coming as C? The last letter will come first, because where is our letters array list? See, letters array list is here. So the last element C will comes first because we reversed it. So the index position will be 0 and the letters array list is reversed. For 0th index C will come. Okay, to throw some more light on this, what I will do is, okay, so it will be something like index position will be 0 comma 1 comma 2. So this will be the index positions. Okay, so currently the value of, okay, my compiler itself loading, let's wait. Okay, let it load and do. So what I'm suggesting is like, when you are practicing it, you write the code in Eclipse, you debug the code like what I am doing. You will get a fair idea of what is happening in each variable, how the values are changing, so that you can easily solve that. Okay, I don't know what happened, it's not responding. Let us see how many minutes. Okay, it's around already 22 minutes. Okay, I think finally we got. So currently the I value is what? Okay, I don't know why even if I hover over on it I'm unable to get the value. Okay, I think now I should. Okay, not a problem. mm. Mhm. Okay, and we will stop the debug and we will run it again. We will change the debug points because till this we have already compiled. Straightly we will go to here. Okay, see currently the index. Okay, see the index position is initially 0 and you know what is present inside the letters. It is CBA, it is reversed letters is present inside the array list letters. Okay, so for the value 0, here the index value is 0. I think you see this, right? For the index value it is 0. This index value 0 is coming from this statement. Okay, and for 0th index the value will be C. So in the letter 1 the value will be coming as C. So from the letter 1 the value is coming as C. In the string builder it will be getting appended. Okay, so you know when we are hover over on it, it is taking some time to respond. Okay, so in string builder the C has been appended. Okay, I think you are able to see it now. Now the index I am incrementing it because this index is not working from the for loop, so we locally initialized it. Okay, so if I increment it, then only the next letter, if it is currently it is 0, so 0 plus 1 will be 1. If it becomes 1, then only the 1th index position value can be taken from this statement. So this index value need to be incremented. Currently it is 0. Okay, currently it is 0, you can see this. Okay, currently it is 0. If it is 0 plus 1, once I executed this, if it becomes 1, then only the next value can be fetched. Okay, okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, now the index value becomes something around 1. Yeah, now the exclamatory value will be taken. I think you are able to see exclamatory value has been taken. Now it will be false. Why it will be false? The exclamation mark, it is not a character or it is not a letter, first of all. So this code block will not be executed. It will directly jump to here. You see the compiler will jump. See, it got jumped. And this exclamatory mark is also added. See, exclamatory. Okay. So the next will be, I think, B, right? Yeah, B. So B is a character, so this will be pass. So the test one will be coming as true, and then the code block will, this block will be going to be executed. So here the value will be B. From where this B comes? From here. We already have a array list. Okay, from here this B has been taken because the index value is 1. For 1th index value, B is the value, so only in letter 1 the B has been coming. Okay, now we are appending it in our string builder. See, in string builder B is appended. Now the index position will be incremented. Initially it was 1, now it should be 2. Okay, it is incremented. Now I am again step over. This is step over, this is step into. Okay, so now this high value is 3. For 3, what is the index position? It is at the rate. So at the rate will come. Okay, so at the rate is not a letter, so this will be false. At the rate is not a letter, so it is false. So this code block will not execute. Directly it will be going to the else block, and the string builder is added. Okay, now then what happened? Letter C is coming. This C comes from where? From here. Now the I should be 4, so only it is taking the value C. So, high value is 4. Now it will be true because the character C, it is a alphabet. So this code block will be executed. Now what is the index position? Index position is 2. For the index position 2, what value should come? A. So here the letter 1 will become A. Then the string builder is appended. So here you can see A is appended. Now the index position is incremented to 3. Okay, now it will be hash symbol. Hash is not a letter, so here false. So this code block will not execute. Directly it will jump here and hash will be added. So in the string builder, if you see, it will take some time. Yeah, so the hash is added. Okay, now it is converted into string builder, need to be converted into string before printing. Okay, else it won't print. Finally we got the output. Okay, debug came out of it. Finally we got the output. So this output, even during interview, how I will compare now? I will directly move like this. This is the input. Okay, A is moved to last. B is a middle part, so it is staying wherever it is. C is the last one, it moved to first. Done. Like this I will show the output to the interviewer. After that, they will ask me to show how the code has been configured. I hope everyone have understand of what I'm trying to explain. Even if you have any queries, you can ping me. I will explain that. Not an issue. So only one segment of the so there are two Java codes asked to me during the Tata Consultancy Services TCS interview. So that one code has been explained. So the another one Java code I will explain in the next session. And one more interesting thing happened in this TCS interview. They just given me these two Java codes, and when I'm completing these two Java codes itself, the time is around some 1 hour 30 minutes. It has been lengthened actually, and even the interviewer was patiently waiting. So after that, the interviewer had not asked me any question. So he literally said me, you will be having second managerial round. He directly said the result there only. You are passed. There will be a second managerial round. And I was asking, so you are not asked any Java, Selenium or rest assured? He said not needed. He said not needed because see, even a third party interviewer from a different company like TCS or even my manager, they are having a mindset like a person who is good in writing some coding, logical, analytical coding. um, he can easily handle Selenium automation or rest assured automation. That is what they are understanding. Okay, a person who is good with Java code, he will be handling automation, whether it is even playwright or rest assured, whatever may be, he or she will handle. So that is what a logic they have in their mind. Okay. Yeah, so some other interview tips what I need to give is, um, daily, weekly, just attend some 3 to 4 interviews. For example, if you are planning for a jump, you update in your Naukri as a current location as Bangalore you put, because in entire India Bangalore is having lot of IT companies. And you mention your location as Bangalore, and then you mention a CTC with less than 12 LPA, or you mention it as 12 LPA, because if it is greater than 12 LPA, number of interview calls will be getting reduced. This is second point. And third point is daily update your resume. So not a resume, so open your Naukri portal, in the profile summary just give you a full stop and save it. So what happened is, like, your profile will be refreshed and it will be coming in the top. Okay, the your profile will be coming in the top. So when the HR recruiters are running their query, your profile will be coming on the top, so you will get a call from the HR, so your interview will be scheduling. So first step is, like, you need to get lot of interviews. So that is the step one. So first of all, you need to get lots of interviews. After you get lots of interviews, you will get lot of practice. Okay, then slowly clearing of interviews will be happening. Okay, so this is what the logic I do in my career. Same I am suggesting to you all. All the best.